Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Loco. I'm out here at the Frontier Village, just hanging out. I'll swing over, probably show you guys the big statue. And then I did get requested by somebody to do a little tutorial on upshifting and downshifting on a motorcycle. So I'll probably try to dip into that too as well. So yeah, let's get this started, man. I'm gonna drive up to the big ass statue over here, show you guys that, and then I'll get into, I'll maybe even walk up to it, you know? I mean, people might think I'm fucking weirdo because I'm walking up with a goddamn helmet on, motorcycle helmet. But you know what? I don't care. I did notice that they have all the doors closed, and it's because of the COVID-19, I suppose. So you can just look in through the windows on all these old buildings. They got a barber shop, the trading post, dentist, art gallery, paint shop, sheriff's, and then the saloon. But yeah, that's about it. Let's walk up here. My cousin actually requested for me to do this. Walk up to the buffalo. Sitting here talking to myself, they're probably thinking I'm crazy. So that was the big ass statue right there. Sorry I wasn't talking much. I just didn't want to have these people thinking that I'm talking to myself and that I was crazy. Because they don't know I'm wearing a Senna. They knew I had a GoPro on though, because they saw the GoPro. But anyhow, yeah, this they got a little stage down there too, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's the Frontier Village, guys. For those that isn't from around here. Find a good spot to where I can actually show you. Yeah, I'll just park over here actually. Then I'll show you a little bit how to shift a motorcycle. I actually got. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill the bike, get off, and I'll show you guys the gear ratios. Alright, down here I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'll just show you anyway. You got first gear, which is all the way to the bottom. What you do, holding the clutch all the way down, and you shift down all the way to the bottom. Then one half click up, neutral, then it goes up. My bike goes all the way to 6. Some bikes go at some bikes have 5 gears. Most bikes have 5 gears, but this one has 6. But yeah, these people over here thought I was talking to myself. But anyway, half click up, neutral, from first to second, and then a full click up from first gear would be second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And like I said, you hold the clutch in to do that. So let's start her up, and I'll show you how to do it. I'll try to go as slow as I can. Alright, I'm gonna get in neutral. My bike will not start up in gear, which most newer bikes are just like this. So keep that in mind. My friend got a Harley Davidson Night Rod. It's an 06. His bike will start up in gear, which is kind of weird. But this one will not. Of course, this ain't a Harley, though. But anyhow, alright, so I'm going to hold this down. And then I'm going to click down here. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to click it into gear. I'm going to click it down. And then let out. You got to find the sweet spot, too. How I started out, I just started walking the bike like this. See how the clutch is kind of down, kind of not? But you find that sweet spot, and then you can let it go. See, I gave it a little bit of gas, too, with it. I didn't give it much, but I gave it a little bit of gas. And this is first gear right here. It ain't too hard. It's actually easy as hell. But that's first gear. And to switch it into second gear, once you get used to this, hold it down, click it up. Alright, now we're in second gear. I mean, you could even give it, here, let's go back to first. You could even give it a little bit of gas where you're doing it too. So, it kind of helps it out a little bit. But that's how you do the gear ratio on a motorcycle. It's kind of just like a manual car. Except for the clutches up here. See, it's kind of backwards. The clutch is up here, and the shifter is down at your feet. On a car, the clutch would be down at the feet, and then the shifter would be with your right arm. So, it's a little different. But, anyways, I'm going to end the video here, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Maybe I'll do a more in depth how to upshift and downshift on a bike later on. I had to cut it short. I got some shit to do. But anyway, if you guys can't be good at it. Peace.